Hey guys, welcome back to my channel. I'm Koki from Umiox Fishing in Osaka City in Japan. In today's video we're going to be changing the anode that protects the engine from internal rust. Let's get to it. Okay, so it's tucked down here in the bottom on the engine block. So to get to it, first we need to remove this, and there are 3 bolts, just 1, 2, 3 holding it in place. Okay, I'm just going to use a electric drill. 1. Okay, here it is down here. We need to remove the 2 bolts holding it in. Now I've already loosened them off just to speed things up a little bit. So we'll just take them out one at a time. Okay, it should just pop out. Okay, as you can see, that's where the cooling water runs through. And here's the anode. So this is Sacrificial, and as you can see, the top section is deteriorated. It's turned white and it's breaking away. So it's time to change this, because as blocks break off, it could fall back down into the cooling pipes and block it. So it's best to change it. Okay, so this was really tight and I couldn't budge it in my hand, so I had to hold it in a vise, and then I could put more pressure on it to loosen it. All right, so we'll just take the bolt out. Okay, so this bottom plate isn't replaceable. This is the sacrificial part here. Okay, and the new one, this is the part number. And this is what the new one looks like. So this is now coming up to 3 years old. It's done its job. As you can see, here's where it started to break away. All right, so let's just give this a spray. Some parts cleaner and clean it up a little bit. And next I'm going to remove a gasket here. Okay, so I ordered the service kit, and the service kit included a new gasket, so I'll be changing it. Give it a little scrub. Okay, that's it. Here's the gasket. Okay, so we'll just place it on like that, and then put the new anode on. Okay, this is all white, so I'll just clean this up with some cleaner, just so it doesn't seize up. Okay, make sure it's nice and tight, because you don't want it to fall off into the cooling vents. Okay, then we'll get it back on the engine. Okay, make sure you've got the gasket on there, the bolt's nice and tight. You've cleaned around the inside with some parts cleaner and a brush, and next we're going to refit it. So it just slots in. Okay. Make sure the bolts have gone through the gasket. Okay, once more, make sure that the bolt has gone through the gasket. If you put it back again a little bit, you can check there, and then you can tighten it down. Okay, once again, this is also has a recommended torque rating, but obviously you can't get a socket set in here. And this is only about 9 Newton meters or so, so just tighten it down and give it a quarter of a turn. Okay, side by side, just to make sure it's seated properly. Okay, next we're going to reattach this. Make sure you've got the washers on the bolts here. Okay. Okay, that's the Sacrificial anode change, and you can rest assured that it's preventing corrosion inside the engine block. Thanks for watching. Be sure to check out the other videos as well. We've got the impeller change, how to remove, fully clean and reinstall a carburetor, and some oil changes for the gear oil, and also a quick and easy engine oil change without making a mess. If you enjoyed the video, please hit the like button and subscribe for more content like this. Sayonara.